Have you guys thought about how you're going to make more money next year?
I realized I have just to maintain and improve my relationship with Anirban. I owe this man so much money. If I have to repay him, I have to loan from him only. It's a never-ending.
Okay, if you had to give one financial advice to your younger self, what would you give?
Man, don't grow up.
Don't grow up.
Stuff out
Prashasti,
there.
Nishant, Anirban, is to all of you. If you had to give financial advice to your younger self, what would you do?
Don't invest in property.
Don't invest in property?
No.
Why?
Because the market has crashed in last 3 years or so, more than 3-4 years now. हाँ. तो मैं 2009 में पहला घर खरीदा था ये सोच के कि अपने को लाइफ में घर ही खरीदते रहना है. जितना
लोन लेके गया था?
पहला वाला लोन लेके लिया था. फिर ऐसे करके घर लेता गया. मेरे को नोट्स में घर लिखने पड़े कितने ऐसा करके. याद नहीं रहता था अभी किसका EMI देना है, किसका क्या चल रहा है, किसका वो आना है.
इतने घर ले लिए तूने?
हाँ, मैं 5 घर ले लिए.
शेख ही हैं क्या?
5 घर ले लिए तूने?
There is no wonder सिर्फ इसका ही बच्चा है.
Actually, I remember one thing about Nishant. He's been very honest about this. Okay, like initially ऐसा होता था कॉमेडी में कि सब बोलते हैं वो मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, सब झूठ बोले. मेरा सिर्फ सच है, ठीक है, मेरा सच में नहीं है. और बाकी सब झूठ बोले कि हमारे पास कॉमेडी में पैसा ही नहीं है. I remember Nishant, I don't know, in an interview or somewhere, he said ये सब कुछ झूठ है. ठीक है? We make enough money. In fact, I make more money than you. Okay, so it was just very. He was the first comedy to do that.
Saurabh, I want to ask you, ऐसा क्यों है? हम लोग पैसे के बारे में बात क्यों नहीं करते?
इंडियन है एक तो.
इंडियन है, पर वो क्या है अबाउट इट?
ऐसा डर लगता है कि बात करेंगे तो चला जाएगा. वी हैव दैट फियर.
क्यों चला जाएगा? क्या?
ये I'm just saying फियर है, पता नहीं वैसा
I
होता
think
है
it
ना.
also slightly
It's
evil भी
a
लगता है.
superstition. नजर लग जाएगी इससे.
बहुत लोग
मुझे बार्टर सिस्टम चाहिए यार. कि कुछ चाहिए तो पॉडकास्ट में आना है, ठीक है, तो फिर एक
I'd love barter system because फिर OML कमीशन क्या लेगा.
Tell me something, Prashasti. When you see one of your peers make more money than you, what's the first feeling that you get? Is it jealousy or is it trying to figure out how can I also do that?
It is. It's actually not jealous. I have zero jealousy, and I'm very clear about this. I have zero jealousy when I see people making more money than me. But definitely, my first thought typically is, what do I do with my skill to get here? And I feel very what I was getting to is that the one thing I want to do to make more money would be to be confident about my skill. Like I'm very bad at pricing myself. Or if you tell me तेरे को 1 ही रुपया मिलेगा, 54 मिलेगा ना तेरे skill का, तो हम लोग कि हाँ फिर सही है. Maybe I'm worth that only.
Self awareness. worth इतनी low है.
Yeah. I was saying it's very difficult also to. I've still not been able to internalize कि पैसा कमाना
अच्छी
या
बात
पैसे के पीछे भागना अच्छी बात है.
ये phrase है ना, पैसे के पीछे भागना. It just sounds, it's been made to sound wrong. कि तुम पैसे के पीछे कैसे भागते? और कैसे आएगा पैसा? पैसा तेरे पास आके थोड़ी बोलेगा कि ब्रो बहुत टाइम से मिले नहीं यार, आज सोच रहा थोड़ा डिपॉजिट हो जाओ तेरे पास. थोड़ी कभी बोलता है.
उसका इंटरप्रिटेशन भी वो है. एक है कि सिर्फ पैसे के पीछे, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि लाइफ भी जियो और थोड़ा पैसा भी कमाओ. पैसे के पीछे भागना सुन के कि अरे पागल तू तो पैसा कमा रहा है, तो तू गंदा इंसान है. बॉलीवुड ने इतना कर दिया ना, जो अमीर होता है बुरा होता है. जो
Why is it a bad thing? People almost mock you for wanting to just have a fucking good life.
But I think comedians, this line of work, when you start, you never think that you're going to be rich. Was that the case? When you started?
Oh no. Yeah, I didn't start with the intent of being rich.
Yeah.
Intent was to be famous. So as a startup, everyone wants popularity. Yeah. But we have criminalized intent to be rich and being rich.
Yeah.
Part of which has been Bollywood, क्योंकि Bollywood में अमीर आदमी का नाम सिंघानिया साहब, खुराना साहब, Rathod Saab, which is industrialist but aborts girl child. They're all bad people. Bad person always does bad. Rich person always does bad things.
And they always live in Mud Island.
And they always live in Mud Island. They always live somewhere. तो अमीर लोग का perception ही वो बन गया है, जिससे क्या हो गया ना? Struggle and poverty has become romanticized, especially in the arts also. You know, as a Bengali, you can relate to this.
But that's for India as a country also, because we have been a poor country.
नहीं, क्योंकि अगर अमीर आदमी गलत है, मतलब गरीब आदमी अच्छा है ना, मैं कम से कम चैन की नींद सो सकता हूँ. ये वही है ना. At least I'm not like them.
I think it also feels a little vulgar कि when you see कि इतना लोग गरीब है. मेरे extended family में there are people जिनको जब hospital में भर्ती होना पड़ता है तो किसी और से पैसा मांगना पड़ता है. And I'm like, then is it okay to make so much money? Because should I just I don't
just
know
give
what
it
to
away.
do. I just it is a conflict.
The fact that you can earn it.
Correct.
and you can save it, which is what people don't talk about.
Yeah.
It is when you can actually contribute back to it, no?
Correct.
But if you don't start the cycle thinking कि मैं कैसे कमाऊंगा तो वो कैसे होगा?
And that's the mature way of looking at it. But what happens is you're like, oh no, you know, this why am I getting paid so much when there are people who do 16 घंटा of work and paid like get paid 110.
दिस थॉट आई गेट अ लॉट लाइक कि डॉक्टर है, मैं जानता डॉक्टर को, मैं पायलट्स को जानता है, जो हमेशा से ऐसा था कि स्कूल में डॉक्टर पायलट इंजीनियर बना तो ही तेरा करियर है, वरना तो तू जिंदगी भर ऐसे रगड़ेगा.
तो अभी गिल्ट है.
नाउ यू मेक मोर मनी देन देम, नाउ यू आर मोर फेमस देन देम एंड यू आर लाइक कि वो बेचारा एमबीबीएस किया और वो
What do you have to say about this? Because I hear this a lot from people. जिसे खुद का काम का वैल्यू ही नहीं है तो नेगोशिएट कैसे करेगा आदमी? जब खुद का काम का वैल्यू नहीं है बेंचोद तो कैसे मांगेगा दोबारा पैसा?
सब मुझे लगे सब मिलके थप्पड़ मार रहे.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं. But so it's a very common thing. It happens not to you all also. Ask a typical, and if you all remember when you all were salaried employed, the reality is that everybody goes through it in different formats.
That's true.
So if you ask me, this is the same thought I had this morning also. I'm earning well, but I said, why am I not earning better than the next guy? But I think there's a need of a simple shift that it is your responsibility. It's one life, your responsibility to earn, but earn right. We were just discussing this, right? अगर ठीक से कमाया है तो बिल्कुल, you know, that there's no need to be ashamed. On the contrary, you have to go celebrate in a manner you're not harming somebody. So I think that is the best way. If you earn right and spend right, I think that is the only way to get out of it. वरना हम लोग सोचते रहेंगे. और and another thing that we don't do is we don't, at least with friends which we can trust. Relatives तो सब एक ही टाइप का होता है. But friends that we can trust, we should talk about money. अगर हम नहीं बात करेगा, not about how much you make, but how to save money.
इन्वेस्ट वे टू
Where to invest
That
and
I
how
do,
to.
that I do.
I think it's very very important to have conversation. फिर धीरे धीरे कॉन्वर्सेशन से बदलाव आएगा. मतलब दैट्स द ओनली वे टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस.
My new conflict though is एक तो ये this middle class problem that you feel bad about making money. Then there's this artist problem that you're like हम तो artist हैं, हाँ, कला को ऐसे कला का धंधा कैसे कर सकते हैं?
इसमें घुसे थे कुछ और सोच के कि पैसे वाज लाइक नॉट
हाँ,
लाइक
पैसा
अ
was
मेन
never
थिंग.
the वो.
सो आई एम लाइक अभी कैसे like that, how can that be so?
See, I think people like who talk about money, it's like generally are considered as arrogant.
या
Correct.
What I feel, they think, but what I feel is that they're honest. So that is one part of talking about money which I really appreciate. At least these people, they have money and they're saying they have money. So they are the more honest people. And if we are artists and we are like, oh, we don't want money, then you are being a liar. Then you're as an artist, you're not honest. It's the artist who's saying that I have money and I like money is actually the more honest artist.
That's fair. एक बहुत simple चीज है. Until making money is made aspirational.
Yeah.
Okay, this country will not make more money.
That's true.
Until we look at people who have made a lot of money and be like, बहनचोद ये कैसे कमाया मुझे जानना है.
मुकेश अंबानी.
We don't accept it.
We don't accept it.
We do.
हम बनना चाहते हैं मुकेश अंबानी. लेकिन हम गुस्सा होते हैं जब मुकेश अंबानी अपनी बेटी की शादी पे ज्यादा पैसा खर्च करेगा.
25 करोड़ रुपए में.
ये टैक्स है ये.
उसपे क्यों गुस्सा होता है?
उसपे क्यों गुस्सा होता है समझ नहीं आता है. We want to make as much money as him, but we don't want to even show that well. That's why we like Tata.
Yeah.
We like Tata more. Why? चुपचाप पैसा लेके औकात में बैठा रहता है वो.
और
That's
जैसे
why we
middle
like
class है,
automatically
middle class. आज भी गरीब ही है वो.
And
Down to
automatically
earth, down to
that
earth, down to
becomes
earth.
the ethical company.
Yeah, that becomes the ethical company.
Yeah.
This is nice.
That's the fucking dumb. That's the mentality we have. Right? I think we need to, anyone who makes more money, instead of mocking them, you need to celebrate them. China is like this. जैक मा भगवान है वहाँ का. वहाँ पे और कुछ रिलीजन का तो चलता नहीं है, जैक मा ही का चलता है. और देखो भैंचोद 12 साल की उम्र से देखते कैसे पैसा कमाएगा.
But rich countries would not have this problem.
No, rich countries aspirational. No, richer countries there तो making money is. वहाँ पे जेजी जब बीट्स बेचा, उसको जब $1 billion वैल्यूएशन मिला, you should see the documentary. वो लोग that was like a moment in their lives and it was widely covered etc कि बैचो देखो कहाँ से यार क्या किया उसने.
सेलिब्रेट करते हैं ना Fortune 500,
हाँ.
the 10 richest men in this in the US, वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. हमारा 10 आता है तो हमारी वैसे ही जलन हो जाता है.
नहीं यहाँ पे आई रिमेम्बर AIB का नाम आया था फोर्ब्स रिच लिस्ट 50 टॉप 50 में. ठीक है, इतना मेरे को ऐसा मैसेज आया ना, साला आई थॉट तो यू वर जस्ट लाइक मी, पर तू तो अमीर आदमी निकला एक्सेट्रा दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टफ. Almost make it seem like it's a bad thing. And I was like I didn't come from मेरी माँ बैंकर है, मेरा बाप HR में काम करता है. मैं क्या गलती से पैसा कमा लिया मैंने
मुझे ऐसा
लाइफ
आता
में.
है कि तू तो इंग्लिश बोलने लग गई रे.
Yeah, it's that. And I don't understand why it's like this. Okay, one question I have. Now let's do a little bit of basic let's see how bad the level is. Nishant, you are not allowed to play this game, okay? If you were given the option of getting 20 crores today or earning 20 lakhs for the next 100 months, what would you take? Saurav, I'll start
20
with you.
crores today.
20 crores today? 20 crores today?
20 lakh per month.
Why?
I just like things. I like sustainability more than.
But you do know वो जो 20 करोड़ मिलेगा वो आप इन्वेस्ट करोगे.
नहीं कर पाऊंगी ना. Well, I like this stream कि I was a very happy salaried person, and the thing is right now I'm making more money than my salary, but I just I wake up every day sweating कि बहनचोद कैसे होगा. Like I live in this constant insecurity. So अगर मेरे को 20 लाख पर महीना आप दे दो तो मेरे को मुझे लगता नहीं चाहिए.
20 करोड़ 20 करोड़
20 crores.
ये मैं औरत होने
मेरे को तो उसके बाद
यार Nishant, you and me are thinking the same. Then why are our fortunes different?
If you were to win 1 crore rupees right now, I'm looking at you, Saurabh. What would you do?
What is all this hypothetical situation?
You want to get up and run away. It's your body language.
My
It's like-
soul has run away. Didn't get out of the house.
I'll ask non hypotheticals. Okay. Can you explain to me what a mutual fund is?
मेरे को मैं अभी जस्ट म्यूचुअल फंड्स में कुछ किया है.
क्या किया है?
पता नहीं.
ऐड देके क्या सही है टाइप?
नहीं सही ऐड नहीं. मैं टैक्स के बाद आई पैनिक कि यार इतना तो नहीं दे सकता मैं हर साल. तो आई कॉल्ड माई CA and CA was also like कि कुछ करते हैं. And then I went to my bank and that guy told me कि do all of this and I did it. And apparently it's good.
I like the last line.
Just with every word, your cluelessness just get higher. Oh, it's good apparently.
I've been told that it's good.
But I just want to know कि somebody who doesn't know, who doesn't follow the stock market on daily basis, can they still go ahead and invest and
So for the people who do not know markets, SIP as she was describing, systematic investment plan.
risk low?
तो रोज अपने को सोचना नहीं ना, महीने के स्टार्टिंग में जब पैसा आता है तक कट के निकल जाता
मैं
है.
यही किया है.
वही सब हमारे एक ही से हैं हम.
हाँ, सो उससे क्या होता है कि आपको फिर चिंता नहीं ना मार्केट ऊपर जाए नीचे जाए. आपका क्या assumption है कि लॉन्ग टर्म में मार्केट इंडिया ऊपर जाएगा कि नहीं.
What is the average ROI we are looking at in SIP?
Anywhere between 8 to 10 years, the market has given between 10 to 11% consistently every year. आज आप अगर 100 रुपया 10% में कंपाउंड होके वो कैसे 300 रुपए हो जाता है, वो आप ओवरनाइट होता है और आपको उसमें कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा. सिंपल रूल है इन्वेस्टमेंट का, इन्वेस्ट करो और देखो मत. और लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए करो, शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए कुछ करोगे ना तो फिर
Define long term and short term.
फॉर आवर पेरेंट्स वो जब
20 साल,
25 साल
30
सर्विस था
साल.
तो 10 साल लॉन्ग टर्म, 10-20 साल.
Correct.
आई थिंक 7 से 10 साल इज लॉन्ग टर्म टुडे. ये उसके नीचे करोगे तो मत करो.
Short term?
शॉर्ट टर्म 2-3 साल है बट वो काम करने का ही नहीं है फिर.
अच्छा.
बहुत कुछ.
ये स्ट्रेस आ रहा है आपको क्या?
मेरे साथ एक चीज
ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि मैं किसी गलत स्कूल के एल्यूमिनाई मीट पे आया.
I'm pretty sure a lot of people watching are also probably going to feel the same. I get it.
You'll do
Talking
something
about money.
When he is explaining something to him, can you just close up on him? That'll be so nice.
I think 7 से 10 साल is long term today.
I thought I was maintaining a poker face.
All right, guys. On that note, thank you very much for joining us. Saurav, I'm so sorry if your tummy is hurting.
Are we getting paid for this?
This is the wrong time
Sorry.
to negotiate. Thank you very much, Prashasti Nishant. Thank you, Gaurav. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Clueless. If you like this, please share it with your friends and comment your ATM pin. Account number also. Sorry.